Practice, practice, practice. Yun ang isang advice na maibigay ko sa mga gusto mag-take ng board exam sa engineering. Kailangan mo talaga mag-practice ng problem solving at saka mag-memorize ng maraming formulas kasi ang mathematics maraming formulas talaga at alam mo i-apply. And to this video, we will solve two easy problems. It is about the sector of a circle. Now, sector of a circle means, for example, this is a circle. Circular shape. This is a plate but in a circular shape. Okay, the sector of a circle is yung parang piece of pizza. Ito yon. Yan na yan. Parang yung isang hiwa ng pizza. Yun yung tinatawag na sector of a circle, which include two radius, that means two radii, and an arc of a circle. Yung tinatawag dito sa circle, it is an arc of a circle. Now, the problem number 1. Determine the area of a sector of a circle if its perimeter is 19 inches and radius is 6 inches. Now, this one we have the rough sketch of the sector of a circle. What is given here is the radius, which is equal to 6 inches, and the required one is the area of a sector of a circle. Now, dahil dito, given rin ang perimeter which is equal to 19 inches. So, the perimeter of this sector of a circle is equal to, which we designate as P, is equal to R plus C plus R, or 2R plus C. Yun ang perimeter ng sector of a circle. Now, substituting the value, perimeter is equal to 19 inch is equal to 2 times the radius, which is equal to 6, plus C, which is this one, the arc length. This is the arc length, C. Therefore, simplifying this one, C therefore is equal to 19 minus 12, which is equal to 7. Now, the formula for the arc length is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. This is the formula for arc length. Now, the area of the sector of a circle is equal to, this is the formula also, it's equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Now, dito, dahil meron ditong theta over 360 at dito naman sa arc length is meron theta over 360, we can simplify this one as theta over 360 is equal to C over 2 pi times the radius. Therefore, if we will substitute this theta over 360 to here, in the area of a sector of a circle, area therefore is equal to this one, which is C over 2 pi r times pi times r squared. Now, cancelling this one 2 pi, pi r, 2 pi r, it will be the remaining one is r. So, C times r divided by 2 because pi r and pi r is cancelled. Now, therefore, area of the sector of a circle is equal to C, which is equal to 7 times the radius of a sector, which is equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore, the area of a sector of a circle is equal to 21 inch squared or 21 square inch. This is what we're looking for. area of a sector of a circle. Problem number 2. A sector of a circle of radius 4 feet has a central angle of 30 degrees. A line connecting one of the endpoints of the arc to the midpoint of the opposite edge is then drawn. Determine the area between the line, the arc, and the edge adjacent to the drawn line and arc. Now, a sector of a circle, that means, halimbawa, meron kang circle. Ang hinahanap natin diyan is the area between the line, the arc, and the edge adjacent to the drawn line and the arc. Yun ang hinahanap natin, yung area ng part of the sector of a circle. Now dito, sinasabi dito that has a central angle of 30 degrees. Yung sector of a circle has a 30 degrees central angle, and the sector of a circle, the radius, is equal to 4 feet. Now ngayon, we can solve this one using the area of a circle sector. The area of a circle sector is equal to A is equal to 1/2 r squared theta, which r is the radius, this is the radius, and theta is the angle, the central angle. Now, dahil hinahanap natin dito is the area of this one, so first, kasi given na ang r, given ang central angle, so masolve natin ang total area nito. So, i-designate natin dito na, kasi dito, nakasulat dito that a line connecting one of the endpoints of the arc, so ito yung arc, to the midpoint, ito yung midpoint of the opposite edge is then drawn. So, itong line na to, until the midpoint. So, kung ito ay 4, kasi yan is 4, so, siyempre, paikot siya ng paikot sa circle. Pareho pa rin yan. So, ito is equal to this one. This 4. 4 and 4. So, midpoint, on the midpoint, sa gitna, 2 dito ang kalahati. So, there is a line. Now, yun ang hinahanap natin nga. As I've said earlier, yung area to ang hinahanap natin between the line, the arc, and the line adjacent to the drawn line and the arc. Yan ang hinahanap natin. So, the area of a circle sector is equal to 1/2 the radius times the central angle. 1/2 the radius squared times the central angle. Therefore, r is equal to 4 and the central angle is equal to 30 degrees. Now, 30 degrees, this can be changed into pi over 6 in radians. Pi, which is 180 over 6, which is equal to, kasi ganito yan, yung 30 degrees, pwede natin i-change to radians, multiply by pi over 180 degrees. So, i-ano mo yan, therefore, i-reduce 30 divided by 180 is equal to 60. So, yung 30 degrees will be equal to pi over 60 in radians. Pi over 6 in radians. So, yan, using this area formula, 1/2 is times the r squared times theta, which is equal to 1/2 times the radius, which is 4 feet squared, multiplied by the theta, which is 30 degrees, we change it to radians, which is equal to pi over 6. Area total, therefore, is equal to 4/3 pi. Now, simplifying this one, area total is equal to 4.187 foot squared. Now, nasolve na natin ang total area. Ito ang hinahanap natin. So, bago natin mahanap, of course, the total area minus this one will result to this one, to this area. So, ang gagawin natin, hanapin muna natin ang area nito. Ditong triangle na to. So, kung ilabas natin yan dito at i-rotate natin, ito ang base natin, tapos itong nasa taas, itong ganito, rin-rotate lang natin. So, this side, it is right angle. So, dito from here to here, i-designate natin the height. At ito, of course, this is the 4. At this one, 2. Okay? So, dito masolve natin yung height of a triangle. Sine of 30 degrees, which is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Opposite over the hypotenuse, sorry. So, sine 30 degrees is equal to h over the hypotenuse, which is equal to 2. Height, therefore, is equal to 2 sine 30 degrees. Now, area 1, now we can solve now the area 1, which is this one. Area 1, the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. So, 1/2 the base times the height. What is the base? The base is 4 feet times the height, which we solved earlier as h is equal to 2 sine 30 degrees. Here, 2 sine 30 degrees. Now, simplifying this one, A1 therefore is equal to 4 sine 30 degrees, which is equal to 2 feet squared. Now, meron na tayong area total. Meron na tayong area 1. So, masolve na natin ang area 2 by subtracting area total minus area 1. Therefore, area total is equal to 4.187 feet squared minus the area 1, which is equal to 2 feet squared. Area 2, therefore, is equal to 2.187 foot squared. Now, if we have to change this one, the feet to inch, 1 foot is equal to 12 inch. So, because this is a square foot, area 2 therefore is equal to 2.187 multiplied by 12, then again by 12 because it is a square foot, 1 foot is 12 inch. Therefore, area 2 in square inch is equal to 314.93.